Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Caitlin with Luminous Skin Lab. I have my beautiful model Michelle here today and just finished a cleanse. I'm going to do a second cleanse, do a quick nano infusion with an exfoliating firming enzyme, followed by a jelly mask with some custom mixology and one of our new formulas. And for the second cleanse, I have this Purify blend. Smells amazing, full of antioxidants to help replenish. Has bromelain and papaya that works to dissolve dead skin cells as it's replenishing with antioxidants and vitamin C. Also has lemon, orange, kiwi kumquat that are all high in antioxidants to help protect from premature aging. And adding in this ultrasonic deep cleansing device by Biotherapeutic. Helps to assist in a deeper cleanse and allows you to absorb these active ingredients better. Has 24,000 vibrations per second. So rather than these active ingredients, enzymes sitting on the skin, allows your skin cells to absorb everything better, as well as stimulates the skin's lymphatic system and feels amazing on the skin as well.
Yes, it does.
I like these a lot better than a cleansing device because they're really easy to sanitize, cleanse. You can keep them in the shower and wash with alcohol, soap, or water. You don't have to worry about changing out the bristles. I use them in every facial. Here's what they look like up close. Before I apply this new formula of the jelly mask, I'm going to do this exfoliation that's technically a non-acid or non-peel. Has some really nourishing ingredients, so you don't have to worry about your skin peeling at all, but it's amazing for brightening and working on pore size and fine lines, especially if you live in Arizona and it's 117 degrees out. We need all the oil balancing we can get right now. So if you are a licensed esthetician watching, I'm going to do a little demo with this Dr. Pen. If you buy a 10-pass opening order, you get a free Derma Pen included, as well as you get to pick 2 jars for free, mixing bowl, spatula, jade stone roller. So I get a lot of questions. How do you use a Derma Pen? You can do microneedling, microchanneling with it. So I'm going to show a nano infusion, but with exfoliation. I generally like to infuse hyaluronic or some growth factors into the skin, but today, since I'm finishing with a jelly mask, I'm going to focus more on stimulating cell renewal, smoothing out the skin, and an exfoliation technique also known as nano infusion. This is the new Aquafuse Tech Peel. Lactic, glycolic, salicylic, but it also has some nourishing lipocene from tomatoes, lavender. Helps to promote a bright complexion as it smooths out the skin, smooths out fine lines, but also helps to calm and nourish as it's exfoliating. And I'm going to apply in sections and infuse in with this nano infusion device. If you end up doing the opening order for jelly mask, this device with some tips is included for free. Always use a clean tip and throw away after every client. 5 different settings. I'm going to do on a higher setting because I've worked on Michelle's skin before. I'm going to do it at a 2.0. And again, this is needleless. It's just a nano infusion. These micro channels really help to open up and allow these products to be driven deeper into the skin. Really helps to work these active ingredients further into the dermis. Lactic, glycolic, salicylic, as well as some nourishing ingredients to counteract the exfoliation. You might feel this actively working on the skin. This is just a little bonus to the jelly mask video today. I love it because your skin feels really tight after. You might actively feel those enzymes working on your skin. Just a light flush with the circulation. But you don't have to worry about any peeling or downtime with this. By using this device, it's a 600% increase in product absorption down to the dermis area. So as I mentioned before, I'm using it today for a deeper form of exfoliation and nano infusion before the jelly mask. You can also use it to infuse hydrating or firming products into the skin. See that bright blue color. Also has blue lotus in here, lavender, lipocene. And I want to go all the way down into the neck area as well for additional firming. Doing a 2.0 setting on the cheek area. And for a gentler exfoliation or sensitive skin, you can always do it at a lower level. You're just chiming into this live, again, I'm doing a nano infusion to help prep the skin, exfoliate, smooth out the skin. With this Aquafuse Tech peel that has lactic, glycolic, and salicylic. Amazing for renewing skin cells, brightening, smoothing out the skin. And I'll follow up with a jelly mask after to reduce any redness in the skin, as well as really lock in all those hydrating ingredients and antioxidants. Chin, I'm doing a 1.5 as well as that upper lip. For some light exfoliation around the eye area, just going to go a little bit lower here at a lower speed. This pen can go up to a 5. Just doing the eyes at a 1 because we don't need much more exfoliation with all these enzymes. Finish the face here, going up 1 for speed to help refine pores, prevent pores, and smooth out this excess oil on the skin with the glycolic, lactic, and salicylic. And the last area I'm going to do is the neck. adding a little bit more for additional firming, exfoliation, and smoothing out this area. Gonna turn the pen up to 4. Again, this is a needleless treatment. It's a nano infusion, also known as microchanneling, using today for exfoliation. Really good if you want to do an express treatment and you just need an exfoliation followed by a jelly mask. You can easily make this a 30-minute treatment. Michelle probably starts to feel her skin getting a little tight with all these enzymes working on them.
That's great.
My exfoliation today. With this nano infusion device. Heat is going to further allow ingredients to be infused into the skin. The last of our exfoliation today. Next, I'll do a jelly mask application. Today I'm going to mix 2 new formulas, the Platinum Perfection, which is amazing for brightening, as well as the Copper Peptide, amazing for healing the skin. Quick tone, the Stone Crop Hydration Mist for extra brightening. What's amazing about our jelly mask business is these masks are meant to be mixed with any line. Our masks are 100% vegan, organic, and pair nice with really all your lines, as well as medical grade lines. Adding on 1 drop of this hyaluronic serum with the peptide arginine. It helps to slow down muscle movements in the skin and helps to replenish your skin, as well as helps to plump fine lines and will help your skin retain moisture better. No serum is needed with the jelly mask, but since I've worked on Michelle's skin, I want a little bit extra to target anti-aging today. I'll explain a little bit more about these formulas, but I'm going to add in the mixing ratio, 2 scoops powder to 1.5 scoop water, 1 scoop of this Platinum Perfection. Great to help promote your skin's natural hyaluronic acid, helps to stimulate collagen, reduces redness, fine lines, and great for brightening. Adding in a scoop of this pristine copper peptide, so brightening as well as increasing your skin's ability to heal the skin. Helps to speed up wound healing, helps with pigmentation, redness, and amazing for treating circulation. My 2 formulas today for mixology. In my next video, I'll just do the Platinum Perfection. You can tune in live on the Hydroglow Jelly Mask Facebook page if you want to see that one. And adding in 1.5 scoops purified water to this mixture. I'll mix thoroughly, apply immediately. The biggest trick is you just want to make sure your ratio is correct. It's not too watery. That's the only time a jelly mask can go wrong, is if your mixture isn't right or it's too runny. I did 2 scoops powder to 1.5 scoop water. And I'll start to apply. Michelle, are you okay with it over your eye area?
Yes.
I'm going to start with the eye area.
It smells so good.
Smells amazing. We don't add in extra fragrance to our formulas, but some do have just a natural fragrance with some of the ingredients in here. Second pass, I'll do over this eye area. I personally like to do the eye areas first, and then mix this top half. The jelly mask will continue to expand a little bit outward. Just want to keep that in mind so you don't have anything that drips down the side of the skin. Next, I'm going to do the chin area, followed by the upper lip, and finish evening out along that nose. The thicker the edges are, the easier the application is. And last, going over the mouth. Doing the nose last and evening anything else out on the face. Just gonna avoid that nose ring there. Let this jelly mask do its magic. Gonna zoom in and I'll talk a little bit more. So you can see a really nice even application here. I recommend leaving on 15 minutes for the full benefit. While that mask sits, there's plenty of options you can do if you want to do a chest peel, do a treatment add-on on the hands, hand massage, shoulder massage. I'm going to talk a little bit while this mask is on, so I give a hand and arm massage. And I prefer not to massage with gloves on, so I'm just going to remove these real quick. So as I'm massaging Michelle, I'm just going to tell a little bit about the benefits of jelly masks and the specific formula, why I picked it for her. Since I did a light enzyme peel with the lactic, glycolic, salicylic, my main goal was to smooth out fine lines and help with brightening. I wanted to introduce the new formula, Platinum Perfection, which is amazing for brightening. It's going to have an alginate base derived from algae, helps to rehydrate the skin, helps with circulation. It's a really good balancing effect on the skin. Silica is also in here. This is going to naturally help to strengthen the elasticity of the skin, help with circulation as well. There's silver in here, which is antimicrobial, antibacterial, and also has some brightening properties. There is a small amount of glycolic. It's not going to irritate her skin. It's a stabilized form in that powder. Great for treating fine lines, enhancing brightness to the skin. Glycolic is going to be derived from AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, but you don't have to worry about any peeling effects with these jelly masks. There's so many soothing, nourishing ingredients that counteract any irritation from occurring. And since I mixed it with that pristine copper peptide mask, that's also a new one of our formulas that launched a few months ago. Amazing for speeding up the wound healing. That is one that's safe after microneedling, microchanneling, a light to medium chemical peel. But that's also going to help increase circulation as well as increase your production of hyaluronic acid. Jelly masks are amazing for helping your skin retain its moisture properties, increasing skin hydration levels. It's going to help take any redness out of the skin. You can use your jelly mask as the last mask of your facial. I personally like to use it as my second mask and do my massage at the end with the last third mask. That's where I've seen the most benefit with the skin. And today, since I did a light peel resurfacing treatment, my jelly mask will be the last thing I use on Michelle's skin today. If you don't want to do massage while this mask is on, you can perform a scalp massage, do a peel on the hands, on the chest. You quick chart, take notes. Today's treatment is geared towards professionals, so I'm just showing you some ways that you can increase revenue, incorporate jelly masks into your facial. You want to watch another live video at 3 o'clock, I'm just going to be doing a platinum perfection, explaining that one in a little bit more detail. That's going to be on the Hydro Glow Facebook page live. One last time, if you're tuning in, I mixed the Pristine Copper Peptide, one of our new formulas, amazing for circulation, speeding up wound healing. Also strengthening the elasticity of the skin, promotes collagen stimulation, and this brand new Platinum Perfection, amazing for brightening the skin. It's one of my favorites. If you use it by yourself, has a really pretty shimmer, silver effect. Amazing for brightening and increasing your skin's own production of hyaluronic acid to increase hydration. And just since I want Michelle to get the full 15 minutes of this, I'm just going to spend a few minutes on her neck, décolleté, this stone crop, hydrating oil and lotion. Great for skin regeneration, brightening, and hydration. Recommended to leave your jelly mask on for 15 minutes. Always check in with your clients, make sure it's okay to go over the eye area. If they're okay with that, highly recommend it so they get all the benefits around the eye as well as over the mouth lip area. If you have any questions about jelly masks, you can always call us, send us a message on Hydro Glow Jelly Mask. The website is going to be www.jelly-mask.com. Quick overview, we have 33 formulas and some really exciting things coming soon, so stay tuned. Hint is ampules, which I am super excited about. They're amazing. And so I don't make this video too long, I am going to zoom in while I remove this jelly mask. And one little trick, you can always just go around the edges, so if there's any hair there, you don't have to worry about anything getting stuck. And I'll start to remove this mask. Pristine copper peptide with the platinum perfection. And you can see comes off in one here. You can see that beautiful glow. If you didn't see it close up before, just had a little bit of red after that exfoliating tri-enzyme we did. The jelly mask takes all that redness right out of the skin. Thank you for anyone who tuned in live today. This is Caitlin with Luminous Skin Lab Hydroglow Jelly Mask. If there's a video request you want to see, please send over a message, or you can visit us on our website, www.jelly-mask.com.